Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Chiaragire ikomi chabono mogorobo monchomo ligerelia asentu nena ntokomera na sembe otanyara ko batoko manyanya senchire bwenke gima ko batara muna baliki baito bamangana maya nyara ko batoko komanyanga gendeta ko baga gwate kalit ko lero nigo omuchi Wildoret nyara ko ba go kiniwa ekerengo hanene nakoba esitiani omuchi omonene egati yemechi ene konye erimense ya Kenya wano omuchi Wildoret nigo nyara ko ba omuchi ogatano koba omuchi omonene yani esiti imeyense ya Kenya gati yali togera tokabato ko batire mwancho murigaria ngwere nanda se kagitari getambe nyara ko bato kusanga manaye nganyare ko bagwateka. Gutrase enchira ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website ya www.ndizitv.net na boku ya bwati ya munemero bali togenda tokabato kwarigana mbega seni Ndizi TV chinsemerongo ebere na nyama tukatano nabere ye wiki Lydia Mosense moya kabere studio konekia buna gochere wetera somuno webimanyeriro chinga kisara mu manya gena tokoba kweneke nerenga chibicha munelio gi echago chira senchira yobo ikirano ya nengoro kwa Josephat Mesingo kwari gatanyara ko batoko sanga munaye kurumo chakano goikera omwali amaya senchire bwenge chinsa ikome nigo toko chaka kurwase omoche okeroka bono nigo abamenye kurwa ase omochi oyokeroka banyara ko bagwesokia emambia ya lero na kubolia company yomurero ya Kenya Power nyare ko bagwesokia ase obwango ase omocho yo elio kogorora post estima hiyo yenyara koba gekogwa anene ase bare gendere koba gekorosiwa obugatagati bwa municipality eyo ya Keroka korengana na baraburingo batebire okugwa gwa estima yo niyo kwanyare koba gokoreta obwoba na boigo bakagerete nganigo chiwaye cyo estima chibwate omurero asebono banyare koba baganire mu contractor oyo korosia ebara eyo tabaisago salemono anene chinsemo chiri chietanaine ase ebara eyo nengana togenda takoba toko bwate konende toligereria liagendere tasesemo eyo ya Keroka
nigo kyaba egekube egendo kyo kumisana kare twanyara muna aba estima nigo yagure pa ya omote westima ogure nse nechiwa ya kirenze na hiyo ni hatari sana kwa maisha ya watu wetu. Twalenga kusaba Kenya Power mune pare ko egendrete korosu bateme barusie mete eripara elinda bananchi banyore epare eramwingia na ndi ba make sure muna chiwaya bachibekire mune rekane chiaba igongo saba Kenya Power hii ni hatari kubwa sana. Wajaribu bateme kabisa barusi chiwaya echilinda bananchi banyore obwene bwabo saba contractor kero no musada tuetwe tuko sabe contractor era the site ndoje mbuyagendrete korosia lakini hata basa ko sali chinyomba chiabantu kuno komosa tokomosa
togo tikana muliki oi topol kapokara no agete kambi ase municipality yo ya Keroka gena tokobaga go tobwatelia orobotiuru chingiro nyal kobatro ikirano nyal kobato sanga munaye asenchira yobo ikirano enseye mune chisesato echiarero botuko ase amangana arengeto borendi bwechibesa bono igabaiboli banyara ko bagose migwa hanene chingaki echi abana bare asomote mukobono banyara ko bakwega chira chibesa cyabuna enchira eyemo yogo chigo chitumia chingaki chiskuru cyanyare ko ba chikoigorugo kwara munegata sene Ndizi TV nigobono omotenene libwe kyombe kemo ekyoge korokunga tumaini solution sako anyare ko baga goteba nigo abange ba abaiburi chinga kibune chibatariko bagutwara ekerengari kende gionsi yokwegachira enibo buna enchera yamo yochigwakanira abana babo efisi nonye nabo nigo banyale ko bakoboligwa abaiburi banyale ko aboigo bagotumeka anene chibesa chiabo ase chincha chibwera chinga kibo banyale ko bakoboligwa banyale ko bakobasemia na kwena no bolindi boys ero cha sabana babo chinga kibale ase umutimoko omwe utambe
sichinga kichinga munechi sukuru chibugire onega chibikibero sato sukuru ngo chibuchi nalwatu basi abuli baitunga chinga kichi ndo basako batoko kiabana asoko ba already to bidibire biya lakini buchi atolengelinga sukuru bisineganire kuwa mona bako nyoru muri ande okolera matoke ibako yiga matoko kana ndwa nyoru muri na ende mwana mugati igo bintebyo tigato teme konaro down the expenses so that toikere basomya abana baitu kuwa muno obuya bwo join the groups osesako ngolinga abego toka no bwate bwo joliyo bakoboke nyogwanjo likwanyole singi 500 nero buya ojoin ese group ne ya kusimya sekyombe kende yonsi kirikira nyara kuba ego kwa jira bese at the end of the day ya skulu ko ruba abako nyama kwa konyero mwana kwa mulele gatabu kwa mulele ne uniform naende namba libale secondary bale putas kwa mwana wale afya uchiriri orende nere buya uchonie sesako
tugotigana nobolendi bwe chibesa tolire sector erengete obo cheno nigo bono abamenyi be county ya Kisii banyale ko bakoboligwa banyale ko bakubasira naboigo ko barenda kigima abantu bali ababwate obokongu bugo kwa asegose oboroire bwa endrume ko kwana munegata sendi KDZ TV nigo motenerwe kyombe gyakawe anene kurwa asoro ngura gusirikula soteno anyale ko bagagotebanga endrume tali borogi gosembo bwati bwo motebonde bonsi amono borogi kolende nigo bore oboroire ingaburuire bonde bwensi nonyana bo nigo omochando bwo kubanenge tawgenda takobakorekana tali rogongorwa gusiruka kolende ense engima sebono babuligwe banyala ko bagosirwa buna enchira ye moyo kwegendera sobugima bwabo bwakira lito
Amarita Nguruku Eunice Nyorera. I'm a nurse by profession. Currently I'm the deputy NCD coordinator Kisii County. Tutukoria rero tukogwanera iguru ya endrume mono gusingatia kero monta kwanyoriro monta gurense gwendrume ngubenda gukora namba yemo tiakobwa number 2 tigeria sayunga bito kibira abase kumo kogera umie mono onye makumbi karo amaji kare chindo ya rusi ororo nyo kabegete tai gosomo chivi muru once ya kolire kumagaka mubeke murari liorobega igera matali ari ngumunu gosamanyi ngari ari kwiromoro meme anyara ko baga goiteka gochinse tachi komo tokera mongente once ya kolire kumagaka tia kumwayeri kumugoli amaswali ekugera monta gure ndrumense akoroso bongo naenda ko lose memory motiga tumoke once ya kolire omansi kumugoli swali echinsa ngapi gosomugoli njenondoche akonyora nango nyara kumanya eningo echinsa ngapi gomanya nga memory iranire ndrume tali borogi once kwanyoriro monta gwa keranse atwaru bururu ndrume moleta nyagitari bulingo korubore.
My name is Nicholas Utieno and I work for an organization known as the Kenya Association for the Welfare of People with Epilepsy, and we are doing a campaign in Kisii County. So we are here to make sure that the community understands that the myths and the misconceptions that are associated with epilepsy are not true. Most people in this community believe that epilepsy is as a result of witchcraft. Many still believe that these people are demon possessed, and most of these people are taken as cursed. So we are here to inform the community that epilepsy is a treatable disease, and that if they look for proper management, they will be treated and they will live their life just like any.
Magaga ya mariganio gosama miranio yechi gosolia nyarakobaga kwenekiwa sensemo ya Paris koera na boigo ense ya Kenya korokanago korabia igoli tukoria rero senyumba yoborai enge ya State Lodge me county wasingishwa se omoche weldore tumura ibwense Dr. William Ruto nyarakobaga kwarigania omoyega bwendagira ya mambia huyo nyarakobo koleta amo ababwatani koruchi sector au chichi gosoli no moyega boigo nyarakobaga kwenekia okwegwa ebyegwa gochiase abagosori bali banyarakoba bagokora bya asense ya Kenya nyarakoba gekoba namba 15 nemo asense ngima ase banyarakoba bakwenyorera chimedali gwetania 10 gukona kurwa asense meyoni goruta nyarakoba gakobakira ngambia muno asomo kia naboigo amaskani naboigo banyarakoba kwenekia chinga kiche chigosori chiagendrete asense mo eyo ya Paris omoyego inigo nyarakoba goikirane boigo amono mokonyi bwomora ibwenseri gadi gashagwa naboigo omwaziri bwechigosori Kipchumba murukomene gati ya bwatani banda bange bechigosori abanyarakoba goikirana asense meyo.
Of the heroes and heroines of the Paris 2024 Olympics as they return back home to Kenya, the veritable land of champions. When I commissioned this team a few weeks ago, Team Kenya, to go and represent our country at the Paris 2024 Summer Olympics, I reminded you that you were both our best and the world's finest athletes. Today, I am extremely happy, delighted to welcome you back from your successful mission in Paris. You undertook the calling and understood the burden of shouldering our collective aspirations and dreams as a nation on the global stage. And I say, you did not disappoint. In Paris, our athletes once again demonstrated to the world that when it comes to endurance, determination, and the unshakable will to succeed, we are at the top of our continent and can match the best anywhere in the world. Just imagine, we became position number 17 out of close to 200 countries participating. And as if that's not enough, we became country number 2 in the whole world in athletics.
Ase omoyega uyoboigo mura ibwensa nyarakobaga koenekia buna ko bwatakana nomo kia bwechi gosori anena mamnyoko unyalire koba koenekiwa asomo chibwa Eldoret na se county wa Singisha sobwamo yenyale koba yekwirira serikali ya Kenya kwanza isebora ibwa Ruto koenekia bunanyalire koba gego sukie kerengo kia omoche Eldoret koba igati yemeche emenene imeyense ya Kenya no nyana bo niganyale koba gosegeta ababwatani abanyale koba koenekia abanyale koba sire kerengereri kyo nagwetoma buna entra eyamo yokoreta ebitoki asobugima bwabo chinga kibono bagendeta mo nobo koreri bwabo anana sekta area yechigosori.
We honor these heroes. It is only fitting that we do it here in Eldoret, the city of champions, the newest city in Kenya today. And there couldn't have been a better celebration of Eldoret City than to do it with these Olympic champions. For it is from these very highlands that many of our great athletes have been nurtured. Elevating Eldoret to city status is not just a recognition of its past. It is a bold statement about our present and a major statement about our future. Eldoret City is not just a title. It is a brand that resonates with excellence. It represents the journey of a young athlete who, with nothing but a dream and a pair of running shoes and the support of a community, can rise to become an Olympic champion.
Goigo nomo konyi bumara ibese rigadigasha wani ganyara kwa kwira libagelio kubasemia anene abani nchure gosaba minyoki abanyara kwa kwanyore biego aao banyara kwa bago tumeka enibo yabo ase chinchira chibwendete kolengana nagasha wani go ante vire nigo egati yaba minyoki ose bali yaba gosolia abagana to kwanyore nibo bako yetumia bobe nabo igo bachi kwa bago kolera ubugima buli bogo chandeka chinga kibanyare ko bako gota sebona tebire echina chire chinga kichingiya barabanyara ko bakwebekera engeria yabo irinde bachiko bagwekonya amone yamate yabasa matukale moto
is to tell our athletes, our heroes and heroines, this sport come with some little bit of money. Please invest it well so that you live a good life after you retire. I did not know that this running had come with some bit of money. If I had known when I was young, I would have been a gold medalist. I did not know iko pesa hapo, lakini sasa tumejua. So we are talking to our grandchildren to start getting interested in running because it comes with a bit of money. Please invest and invest well so that the name that you carry is dignified throughout your life. It will be very sad that after you are gold medalist, you
Magega yo wetigia emberemo kwa Jafet Komebuna Inspector of Police nigolitkolero ekeombegose egati ya committee ye bunge gendreta muno morobilio boko munengia kanja huyo nyarako bagago chorwa nere omorai bwensega koirane yegati ya mabolio gochia ansabanya committee morobilio nyarako boko gendra senyumba yamagacho ya bunge nigo kanja Douglas nyarako bagakulia iranga achinga kira nyarako bakwenyoero libagelio nachiko bagago semia abanyanyimbo na kweneke banyarako bako bwatia lichiko ili banyarako bagotinye kerengo kyoborendi imme yese ya Kenya.
Public Order Act guides on matters demonstration. If there is excessive use of force by an officer, we have the oversight bodies, we have IPOA, we have the ODPP. And even now, as you speak, I know there are several investigations that are ongoing in relation to what happened during the demonstrations. There is a clear demonstration that any use of excessive force cannot be around, and it cannot go unpunished. And that's the reason why those bodies have also come on board to address those matters. Number two, if approved and appointed as the IG through the Internal Affairs Unit can also be able to order investigations to look into those very serious allegations of the violations of the rights of the people. But what I want to say to the honorable member is that if approved to be the IG of the National Police Service, I will ensure that the service performs its duties within the frameworks of the law. Within the frameworks of the law, so that everybody enjoys.
Maiga yoko nengi wakwae Douglas Kanja committee unit kowe kwena noroboti ruobene ochiase bunge elinde barorenga mbamwetie kera barachiko bago itilio Douglas Kanja nachiko bago isaransa kerogo ya Inspector General of Police imense ya Kenya. Papa Siko.
Yes. Amisi.
Wairire.
How are you?
Bian. Wangaire pressure baba.
Yes.
Enkongu pia
you know, the other go gi. You don't mean to understand. Ekero ajira out the about news including menjengo the kwale. Mindumbiro benda kuligirina ki inki. Kin yani kini asa. Yege ndio yape ningetu gie. Do you understand? Bodo the thing we ya ingiruta ito rabusi because tino jinga tangible turakebeka. Akagenda nara.
okoranga Papa Siko aitora itana onye junction ire pariria enchera roundabout area ne flyover area.
Yes.
Ikiranya to bagi kuigurwaria rero kuruga iga embassy asokurwa e company.
Yes.
Acha teyo nya gweta guchigatika berega aria gosenko na mbaya gweta guchiari.
Okay.
Rero gari gotirimboka iga yaikaroche garia.
Ya babuna.
Ya sago chidaraja.
You know, again don't go kubuli. Mwana minto. I'm not ambushing.
Yes.
But they have to be covered.
Na kore temero berie miya ya magendro.
You see, again don't go kubuli go. Again jongo kiriri. Agero kuriri our president enjirajete ne binte byale gokora. Okonyoro ne barabune ya kuruke gogi paka nyakoe. In fact ne nkiba kiotebet. Tatige delay. Pona kioko ota to te banga ngire yaye nganero tebete na kibagirero tangite kuyete
kibaki gachorete mapuga aba engineer bali bakachora bone serikali ya Ruto nere kubwatuka chibesa ngagite iyenere sababu ene ata bisina kyogenda
mbuyande
igarisko inkero neroro umwana mushiyo tari mwana muziki kole neri shabiki tu onde nga Messi bonona kyo tari gotebia Papa Siko arambekera engero timaye digo se mwana muziki kyo terete engero ya umwanchi Stella mwanchi one Stella timanyete
olia oli ni mumanyete
no mumanyete
a very good person
yani
yes headed person monto kongirio bongo
omaeteria
kongiria mache for that matter
ase ekegorikeria kia millennium otige gia Gen Z abagotanga kwara bekirenga orabune ya umwanji Stella nebwate ujumbe geteregaria enchira nonye egita ke gusunwa ngora chikono tuchikobeko igwa very timid
chikongote kisuju I think guru control
yes
Sara Momanyi
atayanga
kwa hivyo hiyo ndio tunaanza nayo umwanji Stella ya Moses Oyaro member Moses Oyaro member number 2 bale gotera bajagete no musiki no mundo kurukwa Alois Umbuki yes alafu mundo rukubukie base as umwanjo ne Stella tigango terebu mundo kubwe base kurunga aboki
all right mwanjo muri gereweta Senekia Ndizi TV nongo yakero musumari amaya chinsa 10 asenchira yobwenge kigima lakini nyora se ensa mo chinsa isato munyarako mukomena na amonere Evelyn osera nyarako bokomanya amona yanda mange kuri ndege pindige kubwati
Papa Siko the bad
chingero
tadi bosa iko wara we tadi kunga the bad dani ne bad bosa the
Wacho morigeria mumirane amona jireka chinge chire moto na wakiranga mbia mono sara mumanyara ko bakonekia buna chibicamenelio cyago chira senchira yobo ikirano Lydia Mose onyara ko bakonekia go chire gwetera somuno bwe manyina ko ganerio burigerio bya mumero buri ko bwatia Imyandizi TV.
Ndizi TV Obwansu Bwomogusi. Rumba Imebulera ya rumba.
Wana mapanga